How to get the best Turo discount code. Now, before we proceed, I'd like to let you guys know that these kind of procedure that gonna be providing you out is working both ways, which means it's gonna be working through your phone and through your laptop or PC with the process that I'm showing you. So first things first is of course pull up your web browser that you prefer. Now, from your web browser, we will be visiting a specific site called couponfollow.com. This website is giving or allowing us to use any discount promo codes that has a unique characters in it for free. But it's gonna be depending on the availability of the platform that CouponFollow has. So once you're here, just head directly to the search box and then just simply type in Turo, and you should be able to see the result. So click on that and you will be redirected to another page in which you will have a bunch of options that you can choose. So say for example, you already have an option in mind. So before you go back to Truro and rent or place any order from here, just go back to Coupon Follow first to choose any discount you want and for you to be able to have a visual of the characters or codes, then just simply click on show coupon code, copy it, and paste it here. And that's it. That's how you find the best Turo discount code.